Did she invite you and me to the party? Did she choose us and you for the team? Are you depending on her and them? Can you help him and her with the project? Did they call us and them yesterday? Will you join me and her for lunch? Are you meeting him and me at the station? Did he see you and them at the event? Can she teach me and him the lesson? Did the teacher praise us and them in class? Did you send the message to her and me? Will they pick up him and her from school? Are you working with me and them today? Can you explain the rules to us and her? Did he give the gift to her and him? Do you remember meeting us and him before? Did you hear from me and her recently? Are they talking about us and him? Can she take care of them and me? Will you sit with him and me?